Number 1. Give what you want to get. Our needs change with time. If you'd like to feel understood, try being more understanding. If you want to feel more love, try giving more. It's a simple program that really works. Number 2. Live in the moment. If you are actively seeking a relationship, you might find yourself picturing a home and kids on the first date. Force yourself back into the present. On each date, focus on having a good time, and deciding whether you would like another date. Don't try to transform yourself or your date into something unnatural. Take each moment as it comes, and enjoy the process. Perhaps someone isn't destined to be the love of your life, but will turn out to be a very significant friend. Maybe this person even knows someone who would be perfect for you. Number 3. Be responsible for your own happiness. No other person can make you happy. It's something you have to do on your own. If you feel it's your partner's fault, think again, and look within to find out what piece may be missing for you. Number 4. Be trustworthy. Trust is a key characteristic of positive relationships. When asked about relationships, people identify trustworthiness as one of the most valued traits. Being trustworthy means being dependable, reliable and honest. Most of us value relationships that are based on trust, where people are honest, but also thoughtful. Number 5. Communication. Communication is key. It is one of the most important qualities of a healthy relationship. However, not everyone knows how to communicate properly, or even communicate at all. Happy and healthy couples have this game down. They vocalize their love for one another, saying "I love you" often, and offering compliments. They also discuss the bad, instead of sweeping issues under the rug. In order to move forward and grow, you two need to be able to truly talk about your feelings. No matter how awkward or uncomfortable it feels, it will make for a long-lasting and fulfilling relationship. To get access to the latest from Lifestyle Therapy, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. Number 6. See the best in your partner and the relationship. Research on perception and attention shows that we see more of what we look for, so if you're looking for signs of kindness, that's more likely to stand out to you. How you think about and interpret your partner's actions, intentions, and words also affects how you feel and understand a situation with them, which in turn affects how you behave toward them. For example, spend a week looking for anything and everything your partner does right. You can even jot down anything you notice for each day if you choose. Number 7. Honor each other in some way every day. Every morning you have the opportunity to make your relationship sweeter and deeper by recommitting to your mate. Feeling respected and cherished by the one you love makes life much nicer. Number 8. Anger is a waste of time. Anger is also a relationship killer, because it makes you self-absorbed, and won't allow you to see the good. If you are annoyed with your mate, give yourself some time to calm down, and then gently discuss what's going on for you. Number 9. You can only change yourself, not your partner. If you love someone, and think that after a while he or she will alter behaviors you find uncomfortable, think again. If you want changes, put them on the table, so your partner knows what you need. Number 10. Take it slow. Early relationships are heady and filled with emotions. While a lot of this is biochemical and difficult, or impossible to control, you can mitigate your feelings by intentionally slowing down. Don't be too available. Make plans with other important people in your life, and resist the urge to cancel them. Don't be too quick to become exclusive. Continuing to play the field helps you balance your emotions, and make a more clear-headed decision about whether to enter into a relationship. Number 11. Quality time, not quantity. It's all about quality over quantity. It doesn't matter how much time you and your partner spend together. The most important part is about the quality of this time. There's a huge difference between having dinner at a table while talking about your day at work, versus having dinner while sitting on a couch watching the latest episode of The Voice. It's fine to zone out together and enjoy distractions, but it's crucial to make sure you two are still engaging and spending quality time together to maintain a deep connection. Number 12, show your appreciation. A sense of gratitude and appreciation has been found to be a motivating factor in couple relationships, in the sense that when a person feels appreciated for who they are, and what they do, it motivates them to do positive things for their partner as well. Most people would like to be appreciated a little more often for their efforts. Appreciation can be demonstrated in a number of ways, depending on the circumstance and relationship. A simple verbal acknowledgement of thank you goes a long way toward a person feeling valued.
Number 13, believe that the other is committed to doing the best he or she can. So many intimate relationships end because one partner thinks that the other isn't trying as hard as they could to make things better. Great couples know, trust, and care for each other so deeply that they believe their partners are doing the best they can in each circumstance. Many behaviors can be changed, especially if people work hard at them, but some are harder to alter. Sometimes, no matter how hard someone works at something, he or she can only change so much. The last thing they need is to be pushed harder in areas that they already know they are less than okay. They give and receive hall passes for the things they cannot accomplish, and know they are deeply appreciated for what they can. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it, and make sure to subscribe to see more video in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.